of probability and statistics, chapter number 3, basic statistics, and our topic is for finding the median. So this is the example of the greater than type of the frequency distribution. We have already seen in the previous lecture how we find the less than type of the frequency distribution. Okay, so this is the example depends on the greater than type of the frequency distribution. Okay, so here we are given in the question age greater than 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So here see here we are right here the greater than. Sometimes given in the this time greater than type. Okay. So here greater than type of the age given and number of person 230, 218, 200, 165, 123, 73, 28 and 10. This is your question. Okay. That means what? Age greater than 0. So total number of person is 230. Listen carefully. Age greater than 10. That means the total number of person is 218. Okay. That means age greater than 10. So age greater than 0 to 10 is not included in this term. Got it? That means age greater than 70. So greater than 70 age, that means according to 70 equal to 70 age in the 8 person, here is not included in the 70 exact 70 age. Okay, so this is the age greater than and this is the number of person. Okay, so let's start the solution. First we map the class interval. So you check here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, that means total difference is 10. So we write here class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 above. Don't you write here the 70 to 80 because of here the total number is greater than 70, not in the 70 to 80. Okay, so we write here 70 and above. Okay, so here we map the class interval. This is our solution. Okay, here CF is already given in your question. So we write here as it is 230, 218, 200, 165, 123, 73, 28 and 8. Okay, so according to this CF, we find the frequency. Okay, so what is the process? So see here, first if your question given in the decreasing time is because of here the largest value 230, then next lowest value 218, next lowest value is 200. Okay, so this is the decreasing order form. That means this is the greater than type of the frequency distribution. Just opposite. Increasing form, that means less than frequency, and decreasing form, that means the greater than frequency. Okay, so according to greater than frequency, you starting from down to up. Okay, so you write here 8 as it is. 8 as it is and just greater 28 minus 8 20 73 minus 28 45 okay 73 minus 28 45 123 minus 45 so this is the type okay so 123 minus 73 820 minus 820 73 minus 28 that means 45 123 minus 73 that means 50 165 minus 123 that means 42 200 minus 165 that means 35 218 minus 200 that means 18 and 230 minus 18 that means 12 this is your frequency. Okay, so this is your frequency for with the help of we finding the down to up form 8, 20, 45, 50, 42, 35, 18 and 12. Okay, so here we find the summation f. So summation f is equal to what? Summation f is 230. Here the last value, largest value. So because of here CF is the decreasing order, so obviously first value is the maximum value. So summation f is equal to 130 to 30. That means capital L. Okay, so for finding the n by 2, so n by 2 that means what? 115. Okay, 115. So according to this n by 2, just a greater value in your CF column. So n by 2 is equal to 115. So just a greater value is what? 123. So this is your median class. Okay, so your median class is 4250. Got it? And if you have any confusion, so you just sum of all these frequencies. So total sum of the frequency is also 230. Okay, so don't be confused here. Median class is 4250. Okay, so formula is what? Formula is median is equal to because of this is the greater than type of the frequency distribution. So formula is mu minus h upon f n by 2 minus c. Okay, so here mu is equal to what? Upper limit of the median class. So your median class is 40 to 50. So upper limit is what? 50. Got it? H is equal to width of the median class. That means difference. So difference is 50 minus 40. That means 10. Okay. F is equal to frequency. So according to this median class, frequency is 50. So we write here F is equal to 50. Okay, next one is the capital C. Okay, so capital C that means just succeeding the median class value according to your CF column. So here the highlight value in the CF is 123. Okay, so process is what? The trick is what? The trick is that you check here according to your median class in the CF column. The highlight value is 123. So you check here just before and just after. So before is 165 and after is 73. So what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 73. So C is equal to 73. Okay, and according to your formula, we write here in the greater than type of the frequency distribution, capital C is equal to succeeding value in the median class. So this is the succeeding value and this is the preceding value. Okay, so C is equal to 73. Okay, so put here all these values. So median capital M is equal to mu is equal to 50 minus H is equal to 10, F is equal to 50 n by 2 is equal to 115 minus C is equal to 73. Okay, so 50 minus 10 by 50, 115 minus 73. So we get our final answer is 41.6. Okay, so this is the example of the greater than type of the frequency distribution and your median is 41.6. So 2 points are very important in this type of the frequency distribution. First we mark the class interval. Okay, so you have already seen what is the process for map the class interval. Second one is if your question given in this type less than or greater than, so maximum you are given in the number of person is not in the frequency form. This is the cumulative frequency form. Okay, so see if your question given in the decreasing order, so you write here according to down to up. 8, 28 minus 8, 73 minus 28. Okay, and if your question given in the less than type of the frequency distribution, that means a small value, just a greater value, just a greater value, that means the increasing order. So you starting from the first number, that means up to down. So less than frequency, you write here the up to down, and the greater than frequency, you write here down to up. Okay, so this is the example of the greater than frequency distribution for finding the median, and the final answer median is equal to 41.6. So the example is marks in mathematics, and here we are given in the number of students. So in this question we are given in the class interval and the frequency. So class interval is 10 to 14, 15 to 19, so 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44 and 45 to 49. And we are given in the number of students, that means the frequency 8. Okay, 4, 6, 10, 5, 7, 3, 9 and 6. Okay, so this question is very easy because of we are given in the class interval and frequency both. So just you find the CF and use the formula for less than frequency or greater than frequency according to your CF and find the median. Okay, but listen carefully here. First you check the class interval. Okay, so this class interval is already given in the exclusive form. Okay, so first you check here. Here the 10 to 14, but next class interval is starting from 15 to 19. That means in the previous class interval, the upper limit is 14. So this is not equal to the next class interval is the lower limit. Okay. So first we convert this class interval into the exclusive form. Okay. So what is the process? Process is that here the upper limit is 14. And the next class interval lower limit is what? 15. So 15 minus 14 is equal to what? 1. 1 divided by 2. That means 0.5. Okay. So you write here all these lower limit you subtract from 0.5 and right hand side you add 0.5. So solution is what? Solution is class interval Ci. Okay, so 10.10 minus 0.5, that means 9.52. 14 plus 0.5, that means 14.5. Okay, lower limit, so 15 minus 0.5, that means 14.5 minus 19 plus 0.5, that means 19.5. Got it? 20 minus 0.5, that means 19.5 minus 24 plus 0.5, so 24.5. Okay, 25 minus 0.5, that means 24.5, and 29 plus 0.5, so 29.5. Next one is the 30 minus 0.5, so 29.5. 34 plus 0.5, so 34.5. Next one is the 35 minus 0.5, so 34.5. Next one is the 39 minus 0. Plus 0.5, so 39.5. Okay, next one is the 40 minus 0.5, so 39.5. And 44 plus 0.5, so 44.5. Okay, and last one is the 45 minus 0.5, so 44.5, and 49 plus 0.5, so 49.5. So see here, this class interval is in the inclusive form, but this class interval is in the exclusive form. That means the upper limit is equal to lower limit of the next class interval. So 14.5, 19.5, 24.5, 29.5, 34.5, 39.5 and 44.5. That is our question converted into the exclusive form. Okay. Next one is we write the frequency. So frequency is 4, 6, 10, 5, 7, 3, 9 and 6. Okay. So according to this, first we have the CF column. That means the cumulative frequency. So process is what? Process is first you write here the 4. Okay. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 7, 32. 32 plus 3, 35. 35 plus 9, 44. And 44 plus 6, 50. Okay, so this is the value of the CF. Okay, so according to this, your summation F. Summation F is equal to what? 50. This value or sum of all these frequencies. So you get summation F is equal to 50. That means this is your capital N. So we find the N by 2. So N by 2 is equal to what? 50 by 2 is equal to 25. Okay, so in the CF column, we choose here the just the greater value according to n by 2. So your n by 2 is equal to what? 25. But in your CF column, you have the exact value 25. Listen carefully. We find the in the CF column just the greater than n by 2. Okay, all these example we choose always just greater than n by 2. But sometimes if your n by 2 is the exact value including in your CF column. That means n by 2 is equal to 25 and this 25 already in your CF column. So you consider this 25 is your median class. Okay, so this is your median class. Okay, so always keep in mind if your n by 2 value is exactly present in your CF column, so consider this value in your median class. Okay, so your median class is what? Our median class is 24.5 to 29.5. Okay, so see here the formula median is equal to L plus H upon F n by 2 minus C. Okay, if your class interval given and your frequency given, so always your question depend in the less than type of the frequency distribution. Because of for finding the cumulative, we write here always in the first value as it is and after that we add the next value. Okay, so we use the formula of less than frequency. Okay, so here L is equal to what? L, this is your median class, so L is equal to 24.5. H is equal to what? H is equal to 5. F is equal to, according to median class, F is equal to 5. That means H is equal to 5 and F is also 5. Here N by 2, already we find N by 2 is equal to 25 and C is equal to what? So this is your CF in the median class. So check here just the previous and just next value, before and after value. So before is 20 and after is 32. So choose the minimum value. Minimum value is what? 20. So C is equal to 20. Okay, so put all these values in your formula. Okay, put all these values in your formula. So we get median is equal to 29.5. This is your final answer. Okay, so sometimes your question given in the inclusive form, class interval. So always keep in mind, first you check the class interval, after that you check the frequency type less than or greater than, and according to this we solve a solution with the help of this frequency or given in the cumulative frequency. So less than or greater than type we map the frequency column. Okay, so this is the example of the inclusive form of the class interval. Okay, so I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this.